Let us start with the topic AI. What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. We can simply say that it is artificial intelligence. So, before going to artificial intelligence, let us talk about human intelligence. What makes human different from other creatures? The ability to perceive, understand, and analyze information. And human also have the ability to learn and increase the knowledge. And we can make decision according to the knowledge that we acquired, right? So likewise, when machines start learning like human, we can call those machine as artificial intelligent machines. Okay, that is artificial intelligence. Actually, it is the ability of the machines and computers to learn and think like humans. Artificial intelligence is integrated into many aspects of daily life, often in ways people might not even realize. You can see some examples are shown here. You're familiar with Alexa, and the other picture is a self-driving car, which also works based on artificial intelligence. There are many other examples like face recognition in your phone and social medias where we use a lot of filters. Those are actually based on artificial intelligence. Intelligent computers gathers information like human and analyze them to make decision and automatically completes the task without any human intervention. Those machines learn in many ways. There are basically two ways, that is supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Let us imagine that if somebody says that don't touch the fire, why? Because that will harm you. So you got an instruction that not to touch the fire. So you can act accordingly, right? So that type of learning is called supervised learning. And the next comes the unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, machines learn without any prior instruction. That means they don't have any labeled data sets to learn from. Now let us go through some real-time examples of artificial intelligence. Here you can see three examples. One is the facial recognition in mobile, so that we can unlock our mobile. And the second shows a security camera which is trained with some pictures so that it can detect some persons or missing persons. Now we have came across many applications and examples of artificial intelligence. But how do we learn this artificial intelligence in a simple way? There are different platforms to learn artificial intelligence, right? So one of the simple method to learn artificial intelligence is to use Pictoblox. Pictoblox is a graphical programming software to learn coding. We can make games out of that, animations, physical computing, and artificial intelligence, and many more things. So let us learn how to use Pictoblox. Here you can see the Pictoblox. You need to download the Pictoblox app. When we open that, we can see a window like this. There you can see on the left side you have many blocks which are called script. Blocks are used to make script, that is a set of instruction can be followed by the sprite. Sprite is a thing that we place on this screen. Here the sprite is a Toby, which is a bear. You can see the background of the Toby also. You can change the background by clicking on the background button here. Likewise, this is the script area where you can write the code. We are going to write the simple code for this sprite whose name is Toby. Here you can see there is a symbol to choose the sprite. You can search for different sprite, and if you want to give a background, click here and search for the background and select one. Now if you want to move the Toby, you can just click and drag the move 10 steps to the script area, and if I click on that button, Toby will start moving 10 steps. Okay. Here you can see a lot of instruction sets. All those blocks are allotted for different purposes. Here I used a event block, which is when the green flag is clicked, the Toby must move forward 10 steps. Let us check that. When I click the green flag, it moves forward. So if you want to repeat the walking, I can use a block which is forever. What happens if I place move 10 steps inside forever block is that when I click, the Toby will start moving forever. We are going to move the Toby back and forth. For that we need many blocks. First, set the position of the Toby, XY position of the Toby. Then we'll be using a forever loop, forever block, so that this run forever. It is executed forever. Toby moves, and we change the costume to Toby walking 1. Actually, that is to switch between 2 walking styles. And when it reaches the edge, it must bounce back. So we have given an if condition: if on edge, it must bounce. And the rotation style when it reaches the edge is also set here. That's about the basics of Pictoblox. Now we'll be moving on to the extension that is provided by the Pictoblox to implement artificial intelligence. So for that we'll be doing face detection using Pictoblox. Face detection is a computer technology that is being used in variety of applications that identifies human faces and digital images. So here you can see an extension button where there are a lot of AI, ML, game animation icons are available here. So we are dealing with the face detection. So just click on that. You need to wait for some time so that the blocks of the face detection are added to the block area or this script area.